Digital Education Concept and Guidelines, Honorable Aruna Yadav, Block Education Officer Mahad, Honorable Jagdish Gaikwad, Extension Officer Walan and CPS Kiye, presented by Arvind Khadke and Vishnu Yadav, RZP School Kolekond, Cluster Kiye. Presenting days of the week. Hello students, today we are going to learn about days in a week. Let us see which are the days in a week. So that we should know that there are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now, see here which are those days of the week. The first day of the week is Sunday. And second day, Sunday, Sunday. The second day of the week is Monday, Monday, Monday. Third day is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. Fifth day is Thursday. Sixth day is Friday, and last one, 7 days, seventh day is Saturday. So we have learned here which are the 7 days in a week, and we also count here the days of the week. Those are 7. Here memorize that the days of the week comes sequentially. First day of the week is Sunday. After Sunday it comes Monday. After Monday it's come Tuesday. After Tuesday comes Wednesday. After Wednesday comes Thursday. After Thursday Friday, and after Friday it comes Saturday, and once again this cycle get carry on. So students, we learn here the days of the week. There are several questions asked in an examination on this topic. Before learn those questions, we should understand some words related with this topic in our mother tongue. At first, the after. What is the meaning of after in our mother tongue? After means cha nantar. Before, second word is before. Before means cha purvi, cha agodar. And last one is follows. The meaning of follows is cha pudi. We should memorize that these 3 words. After means cha nantar, before cha purvi, and follows cha pudi. Depending upon this topic, we have some question here. We are going to see first example here. The example is, which is third day if Sunday is first day of the week? Here they have asked us which is third day if Sunday is first day of the week. Here we can memorize the diagram we learn, that is this diagram. We have learned this diagram. We have question, which is the third day if Sunday is the day of first day of the week? Here in diagram we can see that Sunday is first day. Let's count from Sunday. Sunday is first day. First day Sunday. Second day is Monday, and third day is Tuesday. That means here we have answer of this question is Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day if Sunday is first day of the week. Here we should understand that in question it is given Sunday is first day of the week. That means we should start counting from Sunday, because Sunday is the first day, second day will Monday, and third day will Tuesday. So we have here right answer Tuesday, which is at option number 3. That means Tuesday, option number 3 is the correct answer of this question. Now we have here another example. The question is, which day come before Saturday? Here we have asked the name of day that come before Saturday. There are 4 options given here. First one is Sunday, second one is Friday, third one is Thursday, and fourth one is Wednesday. While going towards answer of this question, at first we have to memorize that the meaning of word we have learned before and the sequence of the days of the week. We learn that the meaning of word before is cha purvi. Here we have asked the question to answer name of the day before Saturday, means सॅटरडेच्या पूर्वीचा दिवस कोणता. We know the sequence of days of the week. Here we can see the day Saturday, and we have asked the name of day before Saturday. That means this is Saturday, and before that Saturday the day is Friday. So the correct answer of this question is Friday. In given answer at second option it is given Friday. That means correct answer of this question is option number 2, Friday. Now here we have third example. The question is, which day follows Wednesday? And the options are given. First one is Sunday, second one is Friday, third one is Thursday, and fourth is Wednesday. Now again we should rememberize those diagrams we already learned. We have learned that follows. What is the meaning of follows in our mother tongue? Follows means cha pudhil. Here we have asked question, which day follows Wednesday? Wednesdayच्या पुढील दिवस कोणता? Now look here at the Wednesday. Here is given Wednesday. Wednesdayच्या पुढील, Wednesday follows Thursday. That means correct answer here is Thursday. In option we have given number third option, Thursday. That means correct answer of this question is option third, that means Thursday.